Hey, welcome back to another quick update on what's going on with the markets today. So starting off, we have gold pushing all-time highs once again. We are now fully out of our swing trade. We've hit all our take profits and no longer need to risk more. This trade ended up being about almost a 3-hour trade all in all. Our first and biggest entry was down here at about 4,400. Our second entry came about around here. It was about 4,500. And our third entry came on this Friday close about 45.94, and we closed everything. Well, we were scaling out throughout this, but we closed everything at that 46.90 point. And I do think it could still continue to go higher, but at this point, we've earned enough money for the month, and I don't want to be kind of greedy and try to catch every pip kind of thing. It was a great trade. I'm going to let the chart reset, and I'll come back for another one. And the opportunities never run out, so there's no need to feel FOMO and try to rush into more and more trades. As of right now, price is strong, continues to push higher. I do think that we could fill this gap because we gapped up pretty large from 45.95 straight to 46.47. But we will see. Doesn't have to, but it's possible. Silver, same thing, gapped up, expanded, sitting at all-time high, likely going to keep going higher, probably till that round psychological number of 100 there, and 5,000 for gold, but we'll see. Long ways to go. As of right now, doing well. If anybody took that trade with me, congrats. But just gonna lay low for a bit now. Bitcoin selling off. We did close and break out of this big consolidation range we've been watching for some time now. That was a good signal. Didn't take it, but definitely pulling back now. I'm still am overall thinking that it could find buyers and come back here just because of how it broke out. But again, that could have just been following this overall downtrend, grab some liquidity, and maybe it's setting up for another leg lower. I don't know. I hope that's not the case because I'm long term into Bitcoin. But for now, it's not looking the best, but it's still kind of on the thin ice. We'll see how price reacts in New York session, and we'll base our thesis from there. Indices, all three gapped down over the weekend and have just been pushing down over this long extended holiday. I think we're going to see a big catch up in stocks Tuesday morning, just because of how much indices have dropped over the last 2-3 days for the futures, and stocks obviously have been closed for the last 2-3 days. And paired with all their charts, if you look at Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Netflix, Palantir, they're pretty much all closed on big rejections. So they're most likely all setting up for gap downs, and we'll see how price reacts from there. There is news from Tuesday to Thursday with Trump with these trade talks that are going on. And so I think the markets are going to be pretty volatile this week. So definitely be cautious with how much risk you're putting down. But we'll wait and see how price continues to react. DXY, just as we were analyzing last week, this could have been a big pull, a liquidity grab, rejection, and now it's expanding lower. And it's very possible that this continues lower, and that will be the catalyst to push gold and silver even higher. So as of right now, it's looking like it's a gold and silver trend will just keep continuing, but we'll wait and see what price tells us because we are going to react to price, not try to predict price. Yeah, that's a quick update on what's going on in the markets so far. Successful trade has been closed, and yeah, that's about it. So Good luck on your trading. I'll be back with another update very soon.